Hi everybody. United States all latest news every time updates this global United Media channel. Please subscribe this channel. Kim Jong Un has thanked workers at a factory that built the tires for a huge vehicle used to transport North Korea's new intercontinental ballistic missile, which was tested this week. The visit came after a public rally and fireworks in Pyongyang to celebrate the launch of the Hwasong-15 ICBM, in violation of international sanctions. At the Kim tire factory in the capital, Mr. Kim complimented staff for manufacturing the tires for the 9-axle missile truck without relying on imported equipment. He called for efforts to raise production to satisfy the daily increasing needs in developing the country's economy and beefing up national defense capabilities, the North's official Korean Central News Agency said. Mr. Kim had tasked the factory to make the tires for the great event in November, the agency added. The Hwasong-15 is believed to have reached the highest altitude ever recorded by a North Korean missile. It flew 600 miles, 950 kilometers, before splashing down in waters near Japan and is potentially capable of striking targets as far as 8,100, 13,000 kilometers, which would put Washington within reach.